Have you been seeing the sun-free glow patch all over social media with claims that a tiny patch can give you a beautiful natural bronze glow without sunlight, tanning beds, or messy lotions? It definitely sounds impressive, but does it actually work, or is it simply another product being promoted with clever marketing? After carefully examining the available information, the claims and customer feedback, the overall picture is far less convincing than the advertisements suggest. The product heavily promotes dissolving microneedles, advanced transdermal tanning, and melanin activation technology as breakthrough innovations. Yet there is no strong verified scientific evidence showing that a small patch can consistently produce the dramatic tanning results shown in promotional videos. Many of the ingredients appear to be ordinary, cosmetic compounds that are marketed with complex scientific language to make them sound revolutionary. Another concern is that several before and after photos and glowing testimonials circulating online appear highly polished, with some raising questions about whether AI-generated images or scripted reviews are being used to create unrealistic expectations. The marketing also relies on familiar pressure tactics such as limited-time discounts, low stock warnings, and free shipping countdowns designed to encourage quick purchases before buyers have time to research the product properly. In addition, some customers have reported confusion about recurring subscription charges, refund delays, and expensive return shipping policies, making it important to read every term and condition before placing an order. While that doesn't automatically mean every buyer will have a bad experience, it does suggest consumers should be cautious and avoid expecting guaranteed or dramatic results. Based on everything currently available, Sun-Free Glow Patch appears to rely more on persuasive advertising than on solid scientific proof. So if you're considering buying it, take the time to research independently. Verify customer experiences from multiple sources, and make an informed decision instead of relying solely on viral marketing claims. Remember, when a beauty product promises effortless, dramatic transformations with very little evidence, a healthy dose of skepticism is always the smartest approach.